Adjusting the volume on your Sync 3 system so you can easily hear your text messages, navigation directions, phone calls, and more is simple. To fine-tune the volume to your preferred level, you must first be sure the phone's volume is turned up. This is especially important when using the Sync 3 text message and phone features. Then, whenever an incoming call or text message is received, you can further adjust the volume by simply using the plus or minus volume control on your steering wheel, or by turning the audio volume control knob located on the center console. You can also adjust the listening level of the navigation system, if equipped, by again using the same volume controls on the steering wheel or the center console. Keep in mind, you can only adjust text message, phone, and navigation volume while they're in use. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.